All right. And so this lesson on sales tax tips and markup does have several vocabulary words, and we'll go over them, and I'm sure you're very, very familiar with them. So anytime you buy a product, or most of the time when you buy something in the store, you're going to be paying a sales tax. And a sales tax is a percent of money of the product that goes to either the state government or the federal government, and that helps run our government. So we're very familiar with this. Whatever the cost is, you know that when we get to the register, we're going to have to pay more money than that. And that generally is the sales tax. And tips and gratuity, if you want to sound really important, is gratuities. Gratuities and tips, same thing. You need to know both words. And tips are when you have service done. Like you could have a waitress, if she delivers good service at a restaurant, you might want to tip her. And that tip actually goes to the waitress herself, and it adds to her wages. So whatever the cost of the meal is, you generally tip her around 15% above that, 15 to 20, and that gets added to your total cost. And the third word we're looking at here is markup. And markup is when you have a store and they buy an item to sell in the store, but they have to increase the cost so that they can pay for all the expenses of running the store. And that cost that they add on to the product is called the markup. And so whatever the merchant buys the item for, they also add a markup percent, and that is then called the selling price. So a markup has, the second word is selling price, goes along with it. So whatever it is, if you're in a store and you know that you have paid the original cost of what the merchant bought it for, plus a markup so that they can stay in business. Thank you.